Thank you for joining us on this journey with the Global Commerce Academy. Subscribe for more CMA USA lessons and stay tuned for our next session. Your success is our mission. See you soon. Welcome to the Global Commerce Academy, your free source for CMA USA success. Today's session, Business Intelligence for Future CMAs. Learn how BI drives smart decisions and unlocks financial insights. Let's get started. Business intelligence, often called BI, refers to the technologies, tools, and established practices that empower businesses to collect, meticulously analyze, and visually represent data. This comprehensive approach is designed to support enhanced decision-making processes at every level of the organization. It's about transforming raw information into actionable strategies. Imagine a large organization grappling with thousands upon thousands of individual data points originating from diverse sources, including sales figures, purchase orders, inventory levels, payroll records, and much more. BI steps in to help turn that massive, often unwieldy, collection of raw data into clean, easily digestible, and profoundly insightful reports that drive understanding and strategic action. Specifically within the realm of finance, certified management accountants, or CMA's accountants, or CMAs, leverage the power of BI to meticulously monitor performance metrics, create dynamic and informative dashboards, accurately forecast emerging trends, and provide robust support for strategic business decisions that shape the future of the company. Ultimately, BI is not just about amassing and processing data. It's fundamentally about unlocking the hidden potential within that data and transforming it into tangible value for the organization, driving growth and competitive advantage. It's about seeing the story the numbers tell. Business intelligence is not one tool. It's a system of integrated tools and processes. Key components include data collection, getting data from systems, ERP, CRM, Excel, data integration, combining from multiple sources, data warehousing, central storage for clean data analysis, trends, outliers, patterns reporting, static or lived dashboards, data visualization, charts, graphs, KPI dashboards. As a CMA, you will work closely with the reporting, visualization, and analysis side of BI. BI is powered by tools like Microsoft Power BI, interactive dashboards and real-time reports Tableau, Data First, flexible visuals Qlik Sense, self-service BI for business teams, Excel with Power Pivot, powerful tool for modeling and dashboards Google Data Studio, free and connected to Google services. Even ERP systems like SAP and Oracle come with built-in BI modules. For CMA students, Power BI and Excel are must-know tools for practical success. Let's talk real-world usage. CMAs use BI to track sales and cost trends, monitor KPIs, key performance indicators, forecast revenue and cash flow, analyze variances between budget and actual, create performance dashboards for CFOs, monitor fraud, risk, and anomalies, present results visually to non-finance teams. In short, BI helps you become a data-driven decision maker, not just a number cruncher. Here's what BI can do for a business. Better decisions. With real-time, accurate info, increased efficiency. No manual report, pulling faster insights. Spot trends before competitors, cross-functional visibility. Everyone sees. The same truth, scalability. Works across global data. BI transforms financial teams from report generators to strategic business advisors. While BI is powerful, it's not perfect. Some common challenges. Bad data equals bad insights. BI depends on clean data. Overcomplication. Too many dashboards confuse users. Poor design. Ugly charts equals ignored insights. No. Training. Finance teams must learn to use tools, data silos. If systems don't talk to each other, BI fails. CMAs must ensure that data governance, accuracy, and clarity are always prioritized. Imagine you're a CMA working at the headquarters of a large retail chain. Your role is to help the company make smarter, data-driven decisions. Using business intelligence BI tools, you have the power to track a wide range of critical metrics that impact the company's bottom line. First, you monitor daily sales by store, identifying which locations are meeting targets and which ones need attention. This allows for quick adjustments to strategies. Next, you keep a close eye on inventory levels across all stores, ensuring that the right products are available at the right time to meet customer demand and minimize waste. You also track employee productivity, identifying top performers in areas where additional training or support may be needed to improve overall efficiency. Furthermore, you analyze regional demand trends, taking into account factors like seasonality, local events, and competitor activity to optimize product placement and marketing efforts. Now, let's look at a specific example. Your BI dashboard shows that Store A has rising sales, which seems positive at first glance. However, you also notice that its profit is declining. Digging deeper with BI helps you quickly identify that the marketing cost doubled in that location during the same period. That insight helps you take immediate action, such as reevaluating the marketing strategy or negotiating better rates. That's the real power of BI. As a CMA, you may not be directly involved in coding or developing BI systems, but you will play a crucial role in shaping how they are used and what insights they provide. One of your key responsibilities will be to define the metrics to track, also known as KPI design. This involves identifying the most important indicators of business performance and setting clear targets for each one. You'll also need to collaborate closely with the IT department to build effective dashboards that present data in a clear, concise, and actionable way. A significant part of your job will be to interpret the results shown on the dashboards and prepare reports for management summarizing key findings and recommendations. Based on your analysis, you'll suggest improvements to business processes, marketing strategies, and other areas to drive better performance. Furthermore, you'll train teams across the organization to use the dashboards effectively, empowering them to make data-informed decisions in their day-to-day work. Ultimately, CMA professionals play a vital role in bridging the gap between raw data and strategic decisions, helping organizations unlock the full potential of their data assets. Let's wrap it up. We've covered a lot of ground in this chapter, exploring the power and potential of business intelligence for CMAs. Now, let's bring it all together and highlight the key takeaways. Business intelligence transforms raw data, often overwhelming in its raw form, into strategic insights. It's about taking those numbers and turning them into actionable knowledge. CMAs use BI to forecast future trends, analyze current performance, and support management in making informed decisions. This isn't just about looking at the past, it's about shaping the future. Tools like Power BI and Excel are essential for any CMA looking to leverage the power of BI. Mastering these tools will unlock BI makes management smarter and more effective. It streamlines processes, reduces errors, and allows for quicker, more data-driven decisions. Drive strategic action. Thanks for Global Commerce Academy. CMA USA journey with the Global Commerce Academy, empowering as you continue on your path to becoming a certified management accountant. Thank you for watching the Global Commerce. The Global Commerce Academy CMA USA series. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Join us for the next session as we dive even deeper into your CMA journey. Keep growing. Your future in management accounting starts here.